In this video I'm gonna show you how we can factory reset our POCO F7 Pro by using settings and the recovery mode. So if you want to erase all data by using settings, then of course we want to open settings. Now over here we can go to about phone, scroll down and find factory settings over here. Then at the bottom you should be able to find erase all data. So go over here, enter the screen lock password if you have one, and then you will be asked about the backup, but we can just simply proceed by pressing factory reset, and then we will erase everything from our phone. Now, if you want to perform factory reset by using recovery mode, then in that case first we need to turn off our phone. So I'm gonna press power button and volume up in order to open the power menu, and then we're gonna swipe up over here in order to power off. Once the phone is completely off, we need to press and hold the power button and volume up button, but once you see the POCO logo, you want to release the power button and hold volume up. So press and hold power button and volume up, and now we can release power button. So now I'm holding the volume up button only, and we need to keep holding like this until we are in the recovery mode. There we go, now we can release the volume up button as well. Over here we navigate by using volume up and volume down, and we want to select wipe data and confirm your choice by using the power button. And then once again over here go to wipe all data and once again confirm with the power button. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!